Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to talk about dry blasting using glass bead on machine parts. This could be a really good option when blasted carefully at a lower PSI setting, maybe at around 60, to get a smooth and uniform finish on machine parts. So after blasting with the dry blast cabinet and glass bead, the part actually came out really smooth and it did get rid of those machining marks. So whether in a manual cabinet or an automated system, dry blasting with glass bead can actually be a good solution for your parts depending. In comparison to wet blasting, I'd say wet blasting is going to leave a slightly smoother finish, but you are going to be saving on time when you do dry blasting. For more information, visit our website or call 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.